Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. Today we're going to give you a quick unboxing and first look at the Groov-e Playbuds True Wireless earphones with Bluetooth connectivity, true wireless stereo, hands-free mic, comfortable fit and charging case included. On the back it will give us all the specs. So we've got TWS, true wireless stereo, Bluetooth, 3 hours of music playback and 7 hours using the charging case. Music, play and pause, clear sound with powerful bass, comfortable fit, ergonomic design, rechargeable battery, built-in mic for hands-free calls. Answer, reject incoming calls, micro USB charging cable included, portable intelligent charging case included, extra earbuds and ideal for travel. So it's Bluetooth version 4.1, wireless range 10 meter, battery is 50 milliamp hours by 2. Music playing time up to 3 hours and 1 charge, standby 20, speaker frequency 20 kHz, speaker sensitivity 95 decibels, and an LED battery indicator. And the specifications of the charging case is 350 milliamp hours, charging time for case 2 hours, and an LED battery indicator. So let's have a quick look, and we will pop them out of the box. So inside we get our standard micro USB charge here. We get our charging case here, like so. And inside we can see that we've got connectors there for the unit themselves. On the back we have our USB port, and we also get the buds themselves, which will pop out, and the extra ear tips there, as you can see. So this is the size of the buds that we're looking at here, which is becoming a norm these days. And you can see the connection points on there with the Groov-e branding built in, like so, and clearly indicated left and right. So the idea is you'll just drop them in there like so, and you can see that there's a status red and blue light there to let you know that we have connection with the unit itself. And on the back we have our LED lights as well. So pretty small, compact piece of kit, looks very well indeed. So we'll have a full review coming soon on techbuzzworld.com. Stay tuned, we have lots more of similar items coming, and plenty of tech between now and Christmas. So that's the Groov-e Playbuds True Wireless first look and unboxing. We'll talk to you in the next one. Stay tuned for more.